Hi friends, this is Blessed. Very happy to meet you all through this video, and it's very happy to share with you some few things on how to write a song. I'm having 7 steps of writing a song, so I would just like to share with you, and I hope this will be useful to you and also to the youngsters, those who are heading towards writing a song in your life. So let's get started. Let's see where it goes on. So friends, let's look on to this first one. First one is we have to have a basement. So basement is we need a title, or we must have a strong theme. And secondly, make a list of questions on the title which you have made of the title, or a theme which you have made and which you took for writing a song. So you have to make a list of questions on that. And third, importantly, we need to choose a song structure. So for a song, the structure is very important part. So if you need to I would like to show the structure: verse, then chorus, then verse, then chorus, then bridge, then chorus again. So these are the structure of the songs which you need to focus on mainly. And the fourth important part is you need to go to work on your melody and chords. So melody and chords are so important part of the song. So if you're choosing a melody, you need to choose a chords according to that. So you need to go and work on melody and chords. This is the fourth important part of a song. Fifth important part of the song is work on the lyric in your first verse. So if you are having a lyric, you need to concentrate on the first verse. So this is the fifth important part of the song. The important thing is connect the verse and the chorus. See, if you are looking for a song, your verse and the chorus need to be connected. So this plays a very important part of the song. So if your verse and chorus are getting connected, it makes the song so beautiful. Even whether it is a melody or a Carnatic or a semi-classical or anything, if the verses and choruses are getting connected, the song gets more beautiful. So before going to the conclusion, the seventh part of the song is build your second verse and the bridge. Bridge is the main thing, and the second verse also plays a vital role. So if these two gets connected, so your song is completed. Finally, record your song with a simple piano or a guitar. Then you need to add your vocal into that and look into that which chord it plays and how the song goes and the structure, whether it is placed properly, so that finally you can see the song which you have composed it. See, we can see here meat, feet, eat, and there is a question mark for a dog. So this meat, feet and eat, all these three gets connected with the dog. So you need to look some rhyming words which gets connected to your song or a theme, which gives more colorful and which makes it so beautiful. So this is the final conclusion I would like to make. For example, from Bible, if you are choosing Hannah, David or Jonah, so you need to go and look into their characters. If it is Hannah, you look into their character. If it is David, just look into his character, or Jonah. So you would find some more information. So if you get more information and if you go deeper into that, and which part gets connected to you and which parts make you feel more, so you can add that content to the song, and so that the song gets more beautiful and it gets more meaningful, so that you can convey a gospel or you can convey a message through the song. So I would just like to summarize it. First, you need to start with the title. Second, make a list of questions on the title. And third, you need to choose a song structure. Then fourth, you need to go to work on your melody and chords. And then fifth, work on the lyric in your first verse. Then sixth, connect the verse and the chorus. Seventh, build your second verse and bridge. And the main thing is, before you go on to work on your melody and chords, you need to have a strong basement on the structure. So structure goes on verse, chorus, then chorus, then bridge, then chorus again. So if your structure is very good, then you can move on to the next step. Then finally, it depends on the record which you do with a piano or a guitar, any instrument which you use. Then you need to have the rhyming words which I said before: meat, eat or feet, anything which you would like to put in, so that it makes the song so colorful. And for an example, from the content which you take from Bible, like Hannah, David or Jonah, which makes to reach your gospel or the messages which you need to reach to the people, you can make it through this song. Hope you you guys enjoyed the video and made use of it. And I would like to thank our secretary Naveen Gibson from Bloom also, who encouraged me. I was not having idea of doing these things, but he called me and said